Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Node.js on Ubuntu. So if you go to official Ubuntu homepage, you get option to choose from the latest version or current version, right? So if you click on it, it should download the tar file, right? Then you will have to extract it and install as usual with any other tar file install, right? So if you go to other downloads, you will also find option for Windows, Mac and Linux, also the source code there, and binaries for x64 and ARM. There is also a Docker image and for available for other platform as well. So let's move on to other options. So if you go to Snap and search for Node, what you can do is you can check the Node.js, which is under OpenJS Foundation. Simply click on it, and here you see when you try to click on this drop down, it should show you the option to install. So here it says 16 stable, so 16 is the LTS version. If you go to 18 stable, it should allow you full command, right? So sudo snap install, right? And if we go to terminal, paste it and use tab to go to the end, and if you hit enter, it should download the node for that particular channel, and also it will give you the exact version, which is 18 stable, right? If you remove all of this, it should revert back to version 16, right? So we don't want to do that, right? So that option you can consider for installation using Snap. Another option than this Node.js and Snap is the node source. So this is my preferred method because here you get to use the command prompt for installing a specific version, right? So the version is 18. You can simply copy the code within this curl command, right? And open terminal, paste, and then you hit enter. You will have to give your sudo password. As you can see, it is downloading the required files, right? Now that we have the repository added to our app package manager, what we can do is pick the next line, sudo apt install, then -y node.js. Copy this, minimize, then clear the console, and here we paste it, right? Hit enter. Should start the download, then it will install it and will return to the prompt. It may take a bit of time depending on the background processes that are running. Let's clear this, and now let's type in node /version. You get version 18, and also let's say npm /version, you get npm version 2. That means you have node installed. Next thing is to also install yarn, right? So yarn is another package manager that you will often need. So you can take a look at browser for yarn, but typical command says, before that let's go with yarn package manager, right? So if we go to official page, this is the yarn package manager that we can see. If we click on getting started and installation, here you see it has option, right? So to install yarn, what we'll do is install core pack. So we'll type in core pack. So here see core pack enable. Okay, so considering this is giving permission error, I can use sudo core pack enable. Right, now that code pack is enabled. Next is now next thing, type in yarn in it, but before that we will move to some directory. Let's say cd documents, right, then make dir demo, right. Let's clear this, and here let's type in yarn init -2, right, and let's see if it's working with our yarn. And here you see our yarn is now installed, and also it has managed to initialize within that particular directory. So if we go to documents directory, and I failed to move to demo, so I'm sure it should be right. So package.json and yarn lock is there, right. So we have yarn also installed. So we have seen 3 different methods to install Node.js, and also we have seen how to install yarn.